Hey, fellow mini truckers. Welcome back to Illicit Customs. Today's episode, we're finishing up the rear shock mounts by fabricating and installing the gussets. So come follow me and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. The shock mounts are made with 3/16 plate steel. Plus, when you combine that and the bends that I put down here, it makes it a lot stronger. But when you drive it, you're putting a lot of force onto these mounts. Because remember, the whole point of having shocks is to reduce the bumps in your ride quality and make it a smoother ride. With that said, I'm going to make templates off of these gussets. That way everything's the same and uniform throughout. The only difference is these gussets fit on the outside of these plates, but the ones I want to put on here will fit in between these plates, so it's a lot sleeker look and it fits a lot better. So let's get started. And with that, all of the fabrication is now complete. It's an easy job that only took me about a day to take care of, between making the templates, fabricating the plates, and installing them. My next step is bodywork and paint. Now when I paint the axle, I'm gonna take care of the 4-link bars as well. I did notice a few chips and scratches that I wanna take care of, so while I'm mixing the paint, I might as well take care of that at the same time. Now at the time of filming this video, I have 855 subscribers. My goal is to reach 1,000, so please help me reach my goal. I've learned that less than 10% of YouTubers actually make it to having 1,000 or more subscribers. So please help me reach my goal by subscribing to my channel, continuing to like and share my videos, and don't forget to continue watching as I continue building Blue Collar Obsession. Till next time, keep on mini trucking.